In the upstate of Michigan in the U.S., in Lake Superior, lives a blue jay named Clyde. He wants to see something new and different. He perches on a branch and now flies from the left side of the tree. At approximately 10 miles later, he sees one of Lake Superior's waterfalls. The waterfalls would flow at a rapid speed. Clyde flies until he stops for food and water, and then travels again to fly another 15 miles. Now Clyde sees red, colorful rocks that are small to medium from the beach shore, and now the waves are moving vertically. Next, he flies over an old lighthouse that has been around for 180 years. "20 miles later, at Lake Superior, Clyde sees a breathtaking view of the waves of the lake from a tree branch that's 100 feet high. Clyde is now happy to see the best scenery in the area. Now he declares this place his home.